वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello, friends. Welcome to Season 3 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. As always, I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed how Guru Amar Das ji quietly left Goindwal in the stillness of night, and no one knew where he had gone. On the other side, Bhai Dattuji, blinded by pride, soon realized what he had lost. Gathering whatever he could, he left Goindwal, only to face divine justice on his way. Now, back in Goindwal, the Sikhs were longing for their Guru. Without Guru Amar Das ji, everything felt lifeless. Their hearts felt empty, like a flower without its scent, a home without its light. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1399. गुर बिन घोर अंधार गुरु बिन समझ न आवे गुर बिन सुरत न सिद्ध Guru bin mukta na pave. Meaning, without the Guru, there is utter darkness and understanding does not arrive. Without the Guru, there is no awareness or success, and there is no liberation. Some Sikhs suggested that searching the jungles, others suggested waiting. But everyone agreed on one thing. They needed Baba Bhutta Ji. With tears in their eyes, the Sikhs went to him and pleaded, Baba Ji, you anointed Guru Angad Dev Ji and Guru Amar Das Ji. Please help us find our Guru. We feel lost without him. Baba Bhutta Ji listened silently, his eyes filled with compassion, and then he arrived with the Sangat in Goindwal and asked exactly what had happened. The Sangat told him everything with shame and guilt in their eyes about how Bhai Datuji disrespected Guru Amar Das Ji and left with all the belongings, and how only Guru Amar Das Ji's mare remained. Friends, mare is a female horse. She is Guruji's beloved, said one Sikh. Even though Bhai Datu tried and tried, she refused to move or let anyone be near her. She also only waits for Guru Amar Das Ji. Friends, even animals know their master. The mare that once carried Guru Amar Das Ji now stood still, restless without his presence, unwilling to let anyone come near her. Such is the love of creation. It doesn't always speak, but it feels deeply. Baba Bhutta Ji smiled softly and said, Then she shall guide us to him. Bathe her, adorn her with love. Then further, he said, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, Sangat kare beenti sari, छोड़ दे ए चालै अगारी संग संगता गमनै पाछे गुर को खोज ले ए आछे. Meaning, do ardas and let her loose. We will follow her and she will find the Guru. Friends, imagine that scene. A sacred silence broken only by the sound of hooves as the mare guided the Sangat through forests and fields. Now, She walked and walked while everyone followed. Then the mare suddenly stopped near a small hut in Basar ke Gilla. She neighed and circled it, her eyes bright with joy, as if saying, "He is here! My Guru is here!" The six rushed forward, hearts pounding with happiness yet fear. But as they reached the door, they froze. Because, my dear friends, on the door, written in Guruji's own hand, were the words: "Anyone who opens this door is no Sikh of mine, nor I am his Guru." Reading this, the Sangat stepped back, trembling. They had found their Guru, yet could not meet him. Though the six were overjoyed to have found their Guru, yet torn apart by the words on the door. On one hand, their hearts ached to see him. On the other, how could they break the hukam of their beloved Guru? So, with folded hands and pain in their hearts, they turned once again to the only wise man they knew, Baba Buddha Ji. The Sangat requested him, "You are the one who helped us find him. Only you can bring him to meet us." He sat in silence for a moment. Then, with quiet determination, Baba Butta Ji walked to the wall opposite the door and started breaking it. The Sangat was surprised. Then, brick by brick, he began removing it until a small opening appeared in the wall. Inside, he saw Guru Amar Das Ji sitting in deep remembrance of Almighty, his face glowing with divine grace than ever. Baba Buddha Ji entered humbly, touched Guruji's feet, and bowed. Guruji opened his eyes and said softly, as mentioned in Sri Suraj Prakash, "Kimta taryo hukam hamara," meaning, "Baba Butta Ji, why did you break my hukam?" With folded hands and a trembling voice, Baba Butta Ji replied, "Maharaj, I did not break your hukam. I entered through the wall, not the door. You are the master of all three worlds. Who am I to go against you? But your Sangat is crying for you. Where shall they go without their Guru? You rule the whole universe. Then why did you go and sit in silence? Your Sangat is waiting." He paused, then said with utmost devotion, "You may not need the world, but the world needs you. Guru Angad Dev Ji tied us all to your apron. Where shall we go now if you turn away? Guru Sahib, we cannot live without your guidance." The air grew still. Even the walls seemed to listen. And in that silence, Guruji's heart melted and he smiled at Baba Buddha Ji and blessed him by saying, "कहो वृद्ध को तुम बहुत तन, परोपकार हेत सब करियो, सिक्खी को स्तंभ हो बैठिरियो, मस्तर पावक जवलत महाना, ईंधन धीरज ज्ञान रो त्याना." Meaning, "You are great, Baba Buddha Ji. You are the pillar of Sikhism. the ultimate support, the very image of patience, wisdom, and humility, truly untouched by ego. And friends, such was his grace, with folded hands and eyes lowered. Baba Buddha ji said, "My dear Lord, it is all your play, all your mercy. You give honor to whomever you wish. Who am I in front of your will?" Guru Amar Das ji smiled gently and said, "Baba Buddha ji, open the door and welcome the Sangat." Tears welled in his eyes, overwhelmed with joy. He quickly rose, opened the door, and called out, "Come, beloved Sangat, your Guru awaits you." Then, as mentioned in Siri Suraj Prakash, आनंद उदद की उठै तरंगै इम सब जात चलै गुर संगै चल आए इम गोइंदवाल सबने उत्सव कीन बिसाल. Meaning, at the tearful prayers of his Sangat, Guru Amar Das ji finally returned to Goindwal. When the news spread, joy filled every home. People rushed out of their houses, singing shabads, lighting divas, and preparing kada prasad. The streets glowed like a festival, and the air was filled with the sound of Vaheguru. It was not just a celebration, it was the return of light after darkness. My dear friends, even today, Gurdwara San Sahib stands as a reminder of that divine moment. The wall where Baba Buddha ji broke through to meet his beloved Guru still exists. It is believed that the one who goes through that wall will be blessed and freed from the cycle of births and death. Guru Amar Das ji then resumed his seva, guiding the Sangat once again with humility, compassion, and wisdom, reuniting everyone as one under Vaheguru Ji's grace. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 806, Kar Aya Pure Guranaya, meaning he has returned home with the perfect Guru. My dear friends, this story reminds us that when faith wavers, love finds a way. The Mayor, the Sangat, Baba Buddha ji, they all show us that devotion is not just words, it's action. Sometimes our hearts also feel like that locked door, but with humility, prayer, and love, Vaheguru helps us break through our walls and return to light. I hope this brings some peace to your hearts. Thank you.